Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have Baba Allen who will be talking to us about starting and running a grocery business and make profit out of it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. We offer courses on how to start similar small businesses at Finstock Varsity College. We have a variety of courses, so remember to visit our website www.finstockvarsity.com. Make sure to follow along until the end, so guys follow me and let's learn a thing or two. So guys, we are joined by Baba Allen here. He will be explaining to us about how you can start the grocery business. I'll be asking him a few questions about the business. So follow us until the end. Thank you Baba Allen for welcoming us. What do I need before starting this business? Do I need certifications, licenses? What will I need?
You do not need a lot of things starting this business. All you need is money. You also don't need to have a limit, as everyone has their target amount to start initially.
What are the challenges you face in this business?
One of the challenges I face is having some of the groceries infected by insects, and clients do not like them. Also, clients may not like the size of the groceries.
Does this business have profit? What kind of profit should one expect if they want to start this business?
In order to determine the profit, anyone starting this business should calculate the buying and selling price to determine the amount of profit they will make. It's always good to make sure you have made some profit after selling.
Does this business require any kind of education to start?
You do not need any education level to start this business. It is just your thinking capability and hard work. It also depends on how you relate with your customers. If you want your customers to come back, you have to give them good services.
How much capital is required to start this business?
It does not require a lot of money to start, as long as you know the kind of business you want to start. There is no limitations. I could suggest 100,000 and then that money is not available. So when it comes to this kind of business, you can start with the amount of money you have.
So guys, you've had it from Baba Allen himself that you can start this business with any amount that you have, without an educational background. If you would like to study any course related to business, enroll at Finstock Varsity College, where we offer courses like business management and other business courses. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also remember to hit the notifications so you can get notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.